Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to fix error which you are facing in myQ Garage and access control app. So as we know that myQ Garage have the various special features on this like it allows you to control and monitor your garage door from anywhere and receive real-time notification with the myQ app. You might be facing many kinds of error while logging, while creating this account or this app on your device. So there are the various options to fix this error. So first thing, you need to ensure that your device is highly connected to a very strong and stable internet connection on your device. And secondly, there might be various updates on any kinds of app on your app, so you need to simply go to the app store. After clicking on the app store, you need to simply search the myQ app. After searching the myQ app, you can see the app over here. So if there is any kinds of updates available on this app, you need to simply click and update your app to fix those errors. Also, you can go to the settings. After clicking on settings, you need to simply go to the option general. After clicking on that, you need to simply go to the option iPhone storage, and after that you need to select your app in which you are facing error. And after, you can see the app myQ here, and after clicking on myQ, you can see the option offload app which is highlighted in color blue. You need to simply click on that offload app. So after that, reinstall app will get, and you have to reinstall your app, and this is how your app will be reinstalled on your device. And this is how your app will be reinstalled on your device, and you can simply fix those errors which you are facing while logging or while creating your account on myQ Garage and access control. So hope this video helped you, and if this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.